Did you happen to see where I put the remote control last time?
Yes, I did.
You did? Can you please tell me where it is? I need to watch some Dragon Ball Z.
No. Also, just for laughs, I hid it from you. So you're gonna have to search for it.
What do you mean you hid it from me? Stop playing me! I need to watch Dragon Ball Z!
I don't like Dragon Ball Z. I'm more like Coco Melon fan.
You watch Coco Melon all day, man! You're on your phone right now! You're not even watching TV!
I'm multitasking. Okay? Watching and playing. Was that a swear word you just said? Yikes. That's a lot of them. Oh my god.
I did not mean to say a swear word!
A little later.
Fine, if you're not gonna give me the remote control nicely, then I'm gonna do it the hard way.
This game is a lot of fun.
Little bro!
What are you doing?
How about you give me that remote control you've been hiding?
So it's like that. Have it your way.
Think fast! You have another gun?
You think you're the only one with the gun, big bro? Well, you thought wrong.
How is this possible?
I asked Daddy to buy me a bigger gun and a better one than the one that you have. Is that fear I can see in your face? Are you finally terrified of your little brother?
No, I'm not scared.
May the best man wins.
It's just, I'm a little bit cold.
Headshot! Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
Ah!
Don't you think that I'm gonna run away from you this time? I got a weapon on me and it hurts a lot.
You're not gonna get away with this! Oh no!
Go another headshot!
Huh?
Oh! Do I hear you crying? Aren't you supposed to be the big bro after all?
I'm down to my last shot. I better not miss this. Before I miss this one up, I'm already. Oh, I got.
Finish him.
Nice race, big bro! Big dad! Thank you for teaching me all these tricks! What are you doing, Koi, for Dad's help? You're in a world of hurt and no one will save you, not even my daddy. By the way, my daddy hid the remote control because your grades were down. It wasn't even me.
What is it that you want?
I want justice.
Just because you yell out for Dad's help doesn't mean you earned the privilege for my attention.
Dad! If it was the way around, you'd have smacked me.
Enough with the troubles you're causing with your little brother. Now go to sleep right now. I want you to wake up for morning prayer on time. And if you don't wake up for Fajr prayer on time, you're gonna wish you dead.
12 o'clock midnight.
Better not oversleep. Otherwise my daddy will kick my butt.
You better not miss morning prayer, Yahmar. Punishment will be severe if you miss your prayer.
Huh? Okay, Dad. I will wake up for morning prayer.
You little Hamar, wake up for morning prayer.
Big bro. Jojo, it's prayer time. Now wake up.
Jojo, wake up. I said, wake up. Wake up, smoke.
Darn it, what's wrong with this insensitive family? They're not letting me have some sleep. Wait, there's still so much time before morning prayer? Then why the heck do they keep waking me up? And what's my grandpa doing here? Isn't he supposed to be back at his house? This doesn't make any sense.
3:28 a.m.